Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 16th of December. Let's get to the weather wisdom for today. All right, couple of things. One is that stratospheric sudden warming, which basically disrupted the polar vortex. It didn't, destroy it, but it allowed that polar vortex to kind of slow down, and that cold air has been flopping down into the U.S. for the past 3 weeks. That is now repairing itself up at about 50 millibars, and that is going to allow that cold air to kind of get pulled back into the Arctic, and therefore it's not going to be as cold. So that's one of the reasons why I am forecasting much milder conditions this week. As a matter of fact, some of us are going to be in the 50s on Thursday and Friday. Best chances Friday. All right, today, no 50s. We're right around freezing, sunshine followed by increasing clouds. Tonight, partly cloudy, down to the 20s. On Wednesday, mostly sunny, mid 40s. That's a bit milder. We stay in the upper 20s to low 30s Wednesday night. Thursday, mostly sunny, up near 50, and then cold front approaches with a southerly flow of air here Thursday night. A couple of showers. It's going to be breezy. Friday, rain is likely in the morning, at least some showers. Still breezy, temperatures in the mid 50s. Then we cool off Friday night below freezing. Saturday, only in the 30s. And then Sunday, mostly to partly cloudy. A couple of showers are possible, mid 40s, before another shot of cool air, seasonable air comes in for Monday. I think that, as I mentioned, the chances of a white Christmas for me are just kind of waning at this point. I just don't see it happening. I see us staying just too mild for that, but we'll see. You can always get a storm which crops up, but it looks like most of the cold air is going to stay north of us. We've got a couple of shots coming in. There might be a shot around Christmas Eve, but in general, it looks like the bulk of the cold air just is not around here with temperatures in terms of seasonal normals. We're going to be above average. So we're above average later this week. We get a cold shot coming in for the weekend, at least the start. And then right around Christmas, there might be another quick shot. But these shots look cold. They look cold, but they sort of transient. They move in and out pretty quickly. So that's what you got. I don't see any major snowstorms as I'm just going to close this out. If I look at total snowfall that's forecast from the Euro model, it remains snowless through Christmas. After Christmas, that final week, could something happen? Sure, but that's so far in the future. The models at that point are basically worthless. Have a great day, everybody.